Hi, my name's Dr. Jennifer Floreani, and my miracle story is about a mother and a baby who came in 3 days after baby Holly was born, and the mother was visibly distressed because she'd been having to complementary feed her baby because she'd been unable to have her baby attach to the breast and feed. And I remember sitting there with this mother and her brand new born baby, and the mother was in tears and she was telling me about her birth experience, how in the end they'd used forceps, and the baby was still visibly bruised on the whole right hand side of her face. And when I did her exam, she was bruised on the internal part of her mouth, half of her tongue was black, she was bruised down her throat. It's very distressing to see this little baby so visibly affected by her birth and physically so distressed. And it was wonderful to be able to work with the mother and the baby and give her her first adjustment. And after that adjustment we sat, I made time to sit with her and see if I could help the baby attach. And after that first adjustment, the baby attached and started to feed. We checked her again the following morning, and when the mum came in, she said, look, she fed on and off for most of the night. She said, I'm not sure whether I got the attachment right, but at least I feel like she was getting some milk. So we sat and we went through some more technique things. We adjusted her again. And after that first week, it was wonderful to hear that both the mum and the baby had had such a dramatic change and turnaround in what had been their experience for those first few days after birth, and all because of chiropractic. She was now breastfeeding and getting the sustenance that she needed, and she was sleeping, and mum was just thrilled. So it was wonderful to work with them for that, and that for me is a miracle, to see that every baby deserves to have that start in life.